Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve Hindustan Times Sudoku puzzle on August 11, 2022. 5-star Sudoku. Column I, column J, we have pair numbers 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. 9th row, we already have 8. So it can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 4th row and 6th grade, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 9th grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 6, 5. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 9. 6th grade, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column G, 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 6, 5. 5th row, we already have 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come in this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. 3rd grade, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column J, only one number is remaining. 5. 5 is confirmed here. 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 6. It will come in one of the 2 cells. 7th row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. And then 1 is here. Column H, 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 5, 9. 2nd row and 4th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 7th row, 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 7, 8. 5th grade, we already have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 7 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 5, 9. Column C, column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Second row, 3 numbers are remaining. 4, 6, 7. Column C, column D, column F, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 6 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Eighth row and 10th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column F, column G, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. 5th row also we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. 5th row, column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 9th row and 10th row and 3rd row and 5th grade, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come these cells. It will be another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Second grade, we have 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column G, 3 numbers are remaining. 6, 7, 8. Fourth row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, then 6 is confirmed here. Since 6 is here, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. Second grade, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 7th row, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column C and 4th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Column C, column E, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Column C, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Second grade, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 10th row and 9th row, column F, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 3. Column C, we already have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, then 3 is confirmed here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. 5th row, we already have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Since 2 is here, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 9th row, only one number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. 5th grade, only one number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. 8th row, we already have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Since 6 is here, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. 10th row, we already have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column D, we already have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column B, only one number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. Since 9 is here, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. Column C, we already have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Column D, we already have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.